Winston, have you ever had an occasion where you parked your car somewhere and when you came back to it, someone had dinged or dented?
Yes, sir.
How'd that make you feel?
It made me very angry.
Okay. Did you happen to get it fixed?
No, sir.
Did you even look into what it would cost to get it fixed?
No, sir. I was just angry.
Okay. Winston, you're a perfectly normal human being because that's about 99.8% of the time. That's exactly what everybody that gets a ding or a dent does. However, you do end up paying for every ding or dent you get, you know?
Yes, sir.
How so?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, look, when you trade the vehicle in or you sell it outright, doesn't matter. When you get rid of it, whoever's going to buy it from you is going to deduct from the value of your vehicle for every ding and dent you have. Now, those little dings and dents, the size of a dime, only 50 or 60 bucks to get fixed. Size of a credit card, about $150. So if you get 8 or 9 of them, you can see how it can dramatically reduce the value of your vehicle, correct?
Correct.
Well, here's what we're going to do for you, Winston. We're going to not only make sure your vehicle stays better looking longer, because let's face it, the fewer dings and dents, the better it looks, right?
Right.
But we're not only going to do that, but we're going to guarantee that your vehicle will be worth more when you go to trade or sell it. And here's what I'm going to do for you. We're going to provide you 1 year of complimentary paintless dent repair. We will fix an unlimited number of dings and dents during the next 12 months. Unlimited miles. And the great thing about it, Winston, is you can extend that coverage out to 3 or even 5 years. We'll show you how to do that later, but the first year is on us. What that also means is your vehicle is going to come with a warranty that even new vehicles don't come with. Because if you buy a brand new Nissan or a brand new Volkswagen or a brand new Chevrolet, you get a ding or dent, is the manufacturer going to fix that ding or dent for you?
No, sir.
No, but we will. We do it for all of our certified pre-owned vehicles as well as all of our new vehicles as well. So you're buying a better vehicle when you shop at Clay Cooley. Cool?
Cool.
All right.